Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am the Sag Moon Diva, and on this channel it is all about tarot. So I am a tarot reader, and I also want to do a series for you guys where I tell you all about the 78 tarot deck cards. Now I will be reading from the Rider Waite tarot deck. This is the one where I will show you guys each of the cards here, the Major Arcanas, the Minor Arcanas that are in this card deck. So if you have this, you can follow along, or if you have one similar, because there are so many of these cards, okay? There are so many different interpretations, but they all basically stem from this tarot deck here. If you guys are interested, I'll have this information down below in the description box, as well as what I will also be reading from, and this is the tarot deck for beginners. So with the first part here, I am going to do the first 10 major arcanas, okay? There is a total of 22 major arcanas, and this is all about the major things basically that are happening in your life. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first card is the Fool card. And in the upright position, this card can mean innocence, a free spirit, spontaneity and beginnings, enthusiasm. It can also point to a new job or a new relationship and starting over in a new location or a vacation. Now, the Fool in reverse can mean recklessness, risk-taking, general foolishness, and naivety. Stay open-minded, but proceed with caution. So when the upright position, the Magician card is about skill, concentration, power, action, and resourcefulness. Positive conditions for success in a new endeavor can and should be taken advantage of. The Magician card in reverse can mean hesitation, scattered energy, confusion, poor planning, and lack of focus. You may be dealing with a creative block, as well as a side meaning that means the potential for manipulation or trickery. So the next card is the High Priestess. So this is when you are having a set of intentions with the Magician phase of the journey. It is now time to consider carefully what the next step is before acting. So with this card, it points to the need to listen and to trust your intuition as you proceed down your chosen path. So in the upright position, the High Priestess card can mean insight, clear perception, intuition revelations, and inner knowledge. You should be receptive to messages from your higher self at this time. And as a side meaning, you may be keeping emotions or secrets to yourself until you know that it is safe to reveal them. Now with the High Priestess in reverse, this could be all about ignoring your intuition, having hidden motives, and cloudy thinking. There may be hidden agendas on the part of others, or even within your own subconscious. So acting from impulse rather than inner knowing can lead to trouble. The next card is the Empress. So this is the third character of the Fool's journey, the Empress, and it embodies the creative expression of the inspiration and intuition of the first two cards. So with this card, she teaches you that we are powerful creators who shape our reality through our thoughts, words, and deeds. This card indicates that you are on the right track to making progress, particularly in the areas of abundant growth, harmony in the home, and emotional fulfillment. The Empress also represents sensuality, beauty, and grace, and it encourages an appreciation of these qualities as you take your steps to realize your goals. So in the upright position, this is all about abundance, fertility, creativity, and progress. Your sense of personal sovereignty contributes to your success. A favorable card for issues related to domestic harmony and quality relationships. So it means stay true to yourself while nurturing others. In the reverse, the Empress card can be all about blocked creativity, unfulfilled potential, and insecurity. There is an energy of not believing that you can achieve what you desire. Be responsible with money and other forms of abundance, but don't indulge fears about not having enough. This may also indicate issues with an older woman in your life. The next card is the Emperor. So in the upright position, the Emperor card is all about power, leadership, achievement, stability, and protection. Use your personal power, logic, and capacity for self-discipline to bring your goals into being. Energies are favorable for a stable path of progress. With the Emperor in reverse, this is all about domination, inflexibility, excessive control, and rigidity. You or someone else may be taking the energy of discipline to an unhealthy or imbalanced extreme. Remember that flexibility is the necessary counterpart to solid structure. You may need to be protective of what you have created. In the upright position, the Hierophant card is all about practical wisdom, guidance, and spiritual progress, as well as ethics. Take advice from someone you trust. You may find or be a mentor who can help resolve a challenge. The Hierophant in reverse. This is all about rigid attitudes, dictatorship, and manipulation. Someone may be pressuring you to do things their way. You may need to challenge the status quo, at least in your personal belief system. The Lovers in the upright. This is all about love, choices, unions, and relationships. Positive alignment between one's belief and actions. You are capable of making the right choice. A favorable card in love or relationship readings. The Lovers in reverse. So with the Lovers in reverse, this is all about disharmony, fear of commitment, and relationship issues. An inability to commit to one choice over another. Disharmony related to relationships or misaligned values. If a breakup is indicated, know that it will ultimately be for the good, even if it doesn't feel that way right now. The Chariot. So the Chariot in the upright is all about determination, assertion, a drive for adventure. Often a favorable card with regard to journeys or long-term endeavors. It can also point to public recognition for a specific achievement or general success. The Chariot in reverse. This is all about halted progress, lack of control, and impatience. Heading in the wrong direction, the pitfalls of aggression, ego, and arrogance. As a side meaning, it can also point to travel delays or difficulties. The Justice card. So with Justice in the upright, it is all about virtue, balance, fair evaluation, or right judgment. It's important to remain objective and stay out of ego as you evaluate the situation. Favorable with regard to legal or other decisions not in your control. With the Justice in reverse, this is dishonesty, unfairness, lack of accountability, and a moral dilemma. Someone in this situation is behaving dishonorably. The present situation may need to evolve further before a clear understanding of the circumstances can emerge. Next up, you have the Hermit. The Hermit in the upright position is all about solitude, inner wisdom, contemplation, and going within. A state of solitude and searching, whether in academic study or spiritual pursuits. As a side meaning, the need for recovery after an illness or a harrowing event. The Hermit in reverse is all about loneliness, excessive withdrawal, isolation, and confusion. Unpleasant bouts of isolation and loneliness should be tempered with some positive social time with supportive people. You may be ignoring or resisting solid advice from a wise source. Okay, guys, so we got through the first 10 of the Major Arcana, and now we're going to go ahead and finish the next 12 in it. Then it will be a total of 22 that you guys have learned about. Yeah, it is a lot to learn in this card deck, but guys, grab your pen, grab your paper, and let's get started.